Do you want to earn money from the hard work you put into creating YouTube videos so you can create a sustainable business? In this video, I'm going to show you how to monetize your YouTube videos in 2018, 2019 and beyond so you can get a return on your investment. Hello, my name is Herman Drost from drostdesigns.com. If you want to learn how to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button, then click the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos. According to YouTube, more creators than ever are earning a living on YouTube. The number of channels making over 6 figures is up over 40% year after year. How the heck are they making that kind of money? Build your audience first before monetizing your channel. The key ingredients of creating a profitable YouTube channel is to create a loyal and engaged audience and a steady stream of videos. In order to grow your audience, you have to make videos that your audience loves. To do this, offer solutions to their most burning questions. Here are the steps to enable monetization on your YouTube channel. Number 1, join the YouTube Partner Program. The YouTube Partner Program allows you to earn money from ads served on your YouTube channel and from YouTube Red subscribers that are watching your content. So what are the eligibility requirements to join the program? Once your channel reaches 4,000 total watch hours and 1,000 total subscribers in the past 12 months, then you'll be eligible to join the YouTube Partner Program and get your channel reviewed. The purpose of the review process is that your content sticks to the YouTube Partner Program policies, YouTube Terms of Service, spam policies, and community guidelines. If you want to know how to quickly get 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, click the card icon. Step 2 is to sign up for your Adsense account. Once you sign up for the Adsense account, link it to your YouTube account. Step 3, set your monetization preferences. You can select which videos you wish to monetize on your YouTube channel. To check you got monetization enabled on your channel, go to your channel status and features and look under monetization. It should be enabled. If you go into YouTube Video Manager, you'll see the videos that you've monetized. You'll see the green dollar symbol here. If they're not monetized, you won't see the green symbol. You can also check how much money you're making from the ads on your videos by going into YouTube Analytics and checking your estimated revenue for your channel and also for your individual videos. Here are the types of ads that you can show on your video. For instance, here I've got a live streaming video where I've got the monetization enabled. As you can see, you've got the green status here. You got display ads. The red part is where the ad appears. This is a desktop only. You've got overlay ads. It's got here on the video and on the right. Then you got sponsored cards, all devices. And you got skippable video ads, which is all devices. If the video is more than 10 minutes long, you can have mid-roll ads. And here you can choose where your video ads can appear. So it can be before the video. You can insert ad breaks in bulk and you suggest placements. So this is where YouTube suggests where to place the ad based on the content of your video. So I think that's probably the best, so check that one. And you can also do after the video. Step 4, get reviewed. It will take a few weeks to get your YouTube channel reviewed. After you've passed the review process and your channel has been approved for monetization, you can start earning money right away. You just have to select the videos that you wish to monetize on your channel. Here are 5 ways to earn money from your YouTube channel. Number 1, ads. Here's how to understand how viewers, advertisers, and creators work together so everyone can benefit. Viewers typically want to learn something or be entertained. They also provide the audience to help creators, advertisers, and YouTube make money. Creators use YouTube to express themselves, share their creativity, and even make some money. As long as you keep making great videos, your viewers will come back for more and keep revisiting your channel. Advertisers look at a way to reach a target audience. If the audience is really engaged and if they're a demographic that brands really want to reach, advertisers would be willing to pay to run ads on your channel. Number 2, working with brands. This is where you can promote products and services from brands and ad agencies. Number 3, merchandising. This is where you can make merchandise for your channel, which will help with branding. It may include stickers, clothing such as t-shirts and other products. You can link to a merchandise site using cards so fans can find your stuff. Number 4, crowdfunding. This is where you get a community of fans that support your project on YouTube. For example, you can raise funds to help support your channel by launching an external crowdfunding campaign. Number 5, events. You can even build a stronger community by scheduling live events where your fans are engaged. Besides meeting them in person, you also have an opportunity to sell your merchandise. Here's an important thing to keep in mind. Use the interactive cards to funnel viewers to your merchandise and crowdfunding sites. Now you know 5 ways to monetize your videos on YouTube. If you want to monetize your videos without fulfilling the requirements of 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, click the card icon. You'll discover 7 alternative ways to earn money from your YouTube channel. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, click the subscribe button below. Make sure you also check out the related videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.